Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, let us look at the price action in gold, US dollar currency pairs from the 4 hours time frame to lower time frame and mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. Before that, when we look at the economical events plan for today is June 14th, Wednesday. At 11:30 AM, we have high impact news plan for British pound related currency pairs. And at 6 PM, we have two high impact news plan for US dollar related currency pairs. And again at 11:30 PM, we have three high impacting news plan for US dollar related currency pairs. So we can expect lots of volatility in gold also today. Let us proceed with our gold analysis. I'm in 4 hours time frame now, and from the past analysis we know that we have a very strong trend line or support line from the daily time frame, which I have marked in the green color, and these are all the very strong support and resistance levels for the current price action from the daily time frame. Here I have also marked the resistance line from the 4 hours time frame, and we can clearly notice that the price action is still in a bearish trend. This level of 1939 is still acting as a very strong support, and this trend line is preventing the price action from trending on the bullish side retracement. So overall, when we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, it is under a consolidation. We can expect the price action to consolidate and to take support on this trend line or support line from the daily time frame. And once the price action breaks this support line from the daily time frame, we can expect it to continue its bearish side retracement, and next level of support is going to be around 1908, which is the 61% of the Fibonacci support level. And if the price action manages to break this support level of 61%, next level of support is going to be around 1865, which is going to be the 78% of the Fibonacci retracement level. And on the other hand, if the price action gives a breakout from this resistance line of the 4 hours time frame and starts its bullish side retracement, breaking the current resistance level of 1970, next level of resistance is going to be around 2007. In the past, we have noticed this area to be acting as a very strong resistance zone. So only when the price action breaks this resistance zone, we can expect the further continuation of the bullish side retracement in 4 hours time frame also. So in the 4 hours time frame, I would recommend you to wait for the price action to come out from this consolidation in order to enter into the directional trade in 4 hours time frame. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame, and as explained in 4 hours time frame, the price action is consolidating between this resistance line of the 4 hours time frame and support level of 1939 or 1940. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1946 and support level of 1935. Once the price action breaks this support level of 1935 and continues its bearish side retracement, next level of support is going to be the daily time frame trend line or the support line, and if this support level is breached, next level of support is going to be the support level of 1922, 1907, 1898, 1885 and 1862 on the bearish side. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaches this current resistance level of 1946, next level of resistance is going to be around 1952, 1960, 1968 and the resistance line from the 4 hours time frame. And if the price action manages to breach this resistance level also, next level of resistance is going to be around 1983. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame, and in 30 minutes time frame we are noticing the price action to trend on the bearish side retracement, taking support on this trend line or the support line from the 30 minutes time frame. And if the bearish side retracement continues, we can expect it to take support on this trend line from the 30 minutes time frame and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. And if the price action bridges this trend line, we can expect the further continuation of the bearish side retracement in 30 minutes time frame. Currently, the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1946 and support level of 1939. And if the price action breaks this trend line or support line and continues its bearish side retracement, next level of support is going to be around 1929 and 1917. And on the bullish, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1946. Once this resistance level is breached, next level of resistance is going to be around 1952, 1957, 1963, 1969 and 1974. So that's all analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.